Azimio, led by Raila Odinga, have planned protests tomorrow. But before they do so, they must come out clean on where they took the money. They must also show Kenyans where they hid the maize and when they are ready to release the maize. Tunataka kabla maandamano kesho, watu wote wanaenda maandamano wakuje na gunia. Raila awekee ile mahindi ambayo ameficha katika godowns. Wapatie wale watu wanaandamana mahindi warudi nayo nyumbani. Waache kudanganya wa Kenya kwamba kuna maandamano ilhali yao ndio wameficha mahindi Kenya hii yote. And we are going to expose those godowns. Mahali wameficha mahindi ambayo walitumia hiyo 15 billion kununua mahindi yote Kenya, kuficha gharama ya mahindi iende juu ndio wauze mahindi hiyo kama gharama imeenda juu. So we are going to expose those godowns in the next 7 days. Kenyans are not giving into the continuous theatrics that are meant to distract them from knowing the truth about all-time loot that has messed this country. As government, we want to applaud the boldness of Madam Nyakango to reveal the unimaginable dirt. We also want to call upon any state officer or office holder that was coerced or intimidated to sign or illegally transact public monies to come out and confess. We demand that Raila and his friends take responsibility for their actions and repay the money they have stolen. We also ask Kenyans not to be hoodwinked and used by selfish leaders who advance their parochial egoistic interests. We urge the anti-graft agencies to hastily commence investigations in light of the revelations by Controller of Budgets and unearth all the corrupt leaders and their accomplices. We also demand an audit of all the capital projects undertaken by the rogue handshake regime in view of ascertaining whether public funds were expended on private business. The investigations should not be limited to pilferage of public funds, but deliberate collapse of institutions, repatriation of looted money stashed on offshore accounts, and suspicious tax exemptions by compromised officers of Kenya Revenue Authority. We demand the investigations. We demand that the investigations extend to those that misused public funds and public facilities, ordered extrajudicial killings, forced disappearances, and wanton destruction of livelihood through a weaponized criminal justice system. All the culpable public officers who are used to steal from Kenyans must face the full force of law, and no amount of maandamano or cajoling will save them from the wrath of wananchi, and independent authority constitutionally mandated to execute their mandate. Kenyans want food, not maandamano. Kenyans deserve justice, not maandamano.